This video is about how to fix the error 500 on your WordPress website. If you're getting this, most likely there is a not compatible plugin, or a plugin that didn't install properly, or maybe something wrong with the htaccess file, or something else. But I'll show you how I managed to diagnose this error on a particular website with WordPress running on it. So the problem initially is they're getting a blank page and with error code 500, and that's it. You can't log into admin panel either. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Now you will need access to the file system of your web server, so either through a web-based file system like the way I'm doing now, or you can go through a FTP manager, an FTP access to your server, and work with the files directly there. And if you're not sure what you're doing, do make a full backup or get someone else to help you out. Here we go. Now the website is giving us the error code 500. So let's go to our file manager and first rename our .htaccess file to a backup file, and then try to reload the website. And still not working. Let's go back to the file manager, rename the htaccess file back to original file name, and this time we will rename the plugins folder under the WP content. So we're going to rename the entire plugins folder so there is no plugins installed at all, just like when you get a fresh installation of WordPress. And if the website does load, then we know there's a problem with the plugins. We can see the website loaded, so we do know that there is a problem with one of the plugins. So let's go by process of elimination. We'll find out which one is at fault. What we're going to do is rename the plugins folder back to what it was before, and I'm going to create a plugins backup folder, and then I'm going to move 50% of all the plugins to the backup folder so they're not enabled in the system. And if the website does load, then I know that I have moved the faulty plugin into the backup, and I'll start one at a time and restoring each plugin, see which one was the culprit. But if the website doesn't load again, then that means the plugins that I have moved are actually all good ones, so I can put them back and work on the remaining plugins. So process of elimination, one at a time, depending on the number of plugins you have. You will need to keep repeating the process, which I'm not going to here, but just to give you an idea. So I'm working in batches of say 50%. Don't move the index.php or the error log file, just the folder icons, because that's where the plugins are. And as you can see, I'm moving them in one bunch, 50%, and then going to the website again, refreshing every single time to see what's happening, whether it's working or not. And if it is, great. If not, go back, keep repeating until I find the culprit. In my case, it was a ultimate SEO plugin which was causing all the problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.